Today I'm gonna make a video about how to reset oil service on BMW 5 Series 2016 520. I think it starts from 2010 or 11. They are all the same. All you have to do is just one time press on the start button, don't push the brake, the ignition on, and wait for messages "due service, go away," all others, and then push this button here until you see this. This is the maintenance for brake pads. Just push this, press this again until you see perform reset, let it go, and then press it again. It will reset it now. Reset successful. And you, for other ones, just you can do the same. Let's go back, push that until it's coming. Vehicle check also perform. I have done the vehicle check of 2 days ago, and yeah, just okay. Front 6,000 from brake pads, engine oil, brake fluid, and rear brake pads, front brake pads. Yeah, that's it.